So I have good news and I have bad news in terms of Shiba Inu. The bad news is yesterday was not the day where Shiba Inu exploded and took off and went running to new all-time highs. The good news is that today could be. This is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice, and I'm in no way saying that today is absolutely the day. But I don't know if you guys can feel it, but momentum in the crypto market is building. Although we had a red day over the last few days, the pressure is mounting, and there is going to be this moment in the very near term. There are some signs pointing to this, that the crypto market is going to explode, Shiba Inu included. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. There's a few things that I want to talk about in this video that are big signs of what is about to happen for SHIB, what is about to happen for crypto in general. And frankly, people need to be aware of this. At any moment, the market can explode. We're in that time now. We're in November. We're in a time where it's historically good for alts. BTC, despite having a red day and seeing a little bit of sell-off, we're showing a lot of resilience. That's a very good sign. And frankly, it's kind of that recovery day and getting ready for a rebound to the upside. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And I want to say, in terms of Shiba Inu, I really like what I'm seeing. Although we had a red day, and this day has started red as well, we did come down, we tested our golden cross, and guess what? We bounced right off of it. We're showing a lot of resilience. I'm not sure why this article popped up. Golden cross denied. No, we're still in the golden cross. We're still crossed currently. We bounced off of it. I don't know if you guys can feel it, but pressure when it comes to Shiba Inu is in fact mounting, okay? We are in fact gaining momentum. We're climbing higher. We're showing strength, and you're seeing all the right metrics take place. In fact, we have seen new adoption rate for Shiba Inu climb to over 40% over the last 24 hours. That's huge. All right. Think about this. Over 40, almost 44% of transactions that took place for Shiba Inu on chain are transactions by first-time wallets. That is a big thing we have not seen for quite some time now. So optics are on the climb. The momentum is on the climb. The resilience is in fact on the climb in terms of Shiba Inu. Now, I will say we did get a whale selling day back on the 30th. They unloaded about 300 billion Shiba Inu, not an insane amount. Yesterday we saw about, 12 billion unloaded. So really not that much. Even whales are showing a lot of resilience as price is kind of finding its path here. Now, what I will say is very important is in terms of BTC, we're back on track. We're well above our 20-week moving average, our bull market support band, and right now that has actually come down to the top of our descending channel that we were in. Right, this big bull flag that BTC was printing. So this is it. Right, the bull market is on. Alt season is very quickly approaching, and like I said, at any moment the crypto market can take off. And I think a thing that points to this is look at what's taking place in terms of optics for BTC and crypto right now. We just hit almost a new all-time high just the other day, just a stone's throw away. And yet, despite that, the interest in BTC was still quite low. Okay, I want people to really think about this. So here is back in March, BTC interest at a new all-time high, very, very high. Right now, not even close to what it was there. Rewind back to 2021, BTC hits a new all-time high of 69K. Interest basically topped out these charts, but we're not even anywhere close to that. And this is an important point, all right? Market cycles are long. This is why patience is the most important thing you can have. It takes almost 4 years to get through a full market cycle. You have a year of the bear market, which was 2022. You have a year of semi-recovery, which is 2023. You have the year of the halving, which is the start of the bull market, which was 2024. We saw some good movement in terms of price, in terms of Shiba Inu. We're up on the year, obviously. And then you get into 2025, which would be alt season. Some of the most explosive times in terms of crypto, not just in terms of price, but in terms of adoption. It's when we take the biggest steps forward. It's when we look at the adoption rate versus things like the internet versus the telephone, stuff like that. That is where we do, in fact, heavily outpace those times of adoption. So that is the wave we are getting ready to hit. And frankly, that trigger can be at any time, okay? This is why I've told people, don't get queued, don't play games, be patient, because there's going to be a moment where things flip and just start running and leave a crap ton of people behind. Okay. Nobody knows when it's going to be. all the signs are in fact there for Shiba Inu right now. They've been here for probably about a month and a half or so. And obviously we see what happened in terms of price here back at the end of September. There is going to be a time where that is bigger and faster, and adoption takes place at a much bigger level, and you see those outside flows into the space. Okay. And I know I might sound redundant. I know we've talked about this many times before, but the reason why is, we talk about Shiba Inu so much. There's so much content out in the space. And as time goes on, I don't want to say people have a short attention span, because they do. People forget very easily what tends to happen. We get caught in the recency bias. We get caught through this very narrow scope, this very narrow lens, and then people get surprised when these big booms take place. The boom is coming. The time is upon us. We're now in a month where, historically speaking, the market begins to take off and lead us to those bigger trend changes. All right. When we look back at this chart, guys, this is where we're at right now. We're at this time right before the boom, right before things get exciting. The question is are you prepared? But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you prepared for the big boom? That is about to hit crypto. But appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.